by the window, by the windshield wipers. Gas tank. Yeah, that gas tank is bad, man. It hasn't been cleaned in a minute. You can just see the dirt that's on them. Y'all get a look at that. Not too. You can see the floors just. All right, back with another detail and blessed with another one. So we have a Honda Civic we're about to do today. Just taking a look at it, I can just tell it's just been up under trees and been abused. We got a dirty gas tank that has to definitely be cleaned. A lot of just little pieces of trees and not say sap, but like bird droppings and things. You can tell it's been neglected. But I'm gonna show you everything again, like always. Show you the interior too as well. And then I'm gonna just show you the steps of what I would do in these type of situations to make the job easier for me. So as you see, you got stuff like that that's all inside by the window, by the windshield wipers. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blow all this out with the blower. You can see just things like this stuck on it. Stuff inside there. As you can see how dirty the top is. You know, it's been definitely neglected and sitting up on the trees. So gotta clean it up for them. As you can see in the back too as well. All this stuff back here, gotta clean that up. And then check out the gas tank. Yeah, that gas tank is bad, man. It hasn't been cleaned in a minute. And this part not even silver no more. This is just black. So, yep. And then you check out the rims. You can just see the dirt that's on them. Bad boys are bad. So we're gonna get all this looking clean and good. Interior wise, I already took all this out for them, but you can see the cup holder is bad. Got to definitely clean that. All inside here is bad. You know, this area too as well. A little dust, not too bad. This is the bottom floor. Y'all get a look at that. Not too bad. And then inside here as well. You know, the interior to me is not too bad. You know, a little bit of wipe down. Just a little dirt in the vehicle. Nothing too much. I don't think it's that bad. This basically just needs an in and out. I mean, you can see door jambs too, how dirty they are. Just caked up. I'm just gonna spray that with the pressure washer, get that relieved. You can tell on the outside here too as well. So we're gonna clean all this for them. Really, people don't notice stuff like this, but this is what detailing is all about. Cleaning stuff people don't even like look at or notice. So definitely don't forget the door jambs when you start detailing. You can see the steering wheel too. All this caked up. This is all dirt. This is not part of the steering wheel. So if your steering wheel looks like that, that's dirt, man. Clean that up. You can see the floors just dirty. They just haven't cleaned it in a while. Seat just needs a little vacuum for real. Nothing too much for the exterior. Interior, I mean. All right, as you can see, I got my blower. I'm about to take the extended part off, make it shorter. About to blow all this stuff out in the front here so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So I just blew everything out. I'm gonna blow this too as well, because when I start washing the car, I want this to be gone. Beside the rims while we spraying and things of that nature. So we can clean up the area a little bit. Alright, so what I did, I opened up the hood and I opened up the trunk because there's still stuff inside that I gotta all the way blow out. So I'm about to blow this out now so y'all can kind of see what you should do if you're detailing and it's just stuck in there. Just open the trunk, open the hood, blow it out, You don't have to spray it out with the water because it just makes a mess. All right, so like usual, we're gonna start with the tire. We're gonna clean it, spray it down, and then you're gonna wash it outside. Woo. Lot there. About to wash the outside. You already know what's going on. Let's get to it. All right, let's check out the finished product. I couldn't really record the interior because I gotta be somewhere, so I had to hurry up. I'm gonna show you the interior now. As you see, all the dust and stuff at the top, all clean. Bad boy looking good. Get you a side view of it.